Okay, heavy wind from Tropical Storm Fiona. Let's see how many vendors or even panhandlers there is at the farmers market. Well, that's a new vendor. That's all set up for the wind. Hey you, comment ça va?
Ça va bien toi?
J'ai une video on. Je veux savoir how many people in there.
Not too many people today. People are scared.
But on top of the vendors.
The vendors are a little less on the ones outside. All the food seems to be all there.
Panhandlers, only one.
Yeah.
You're lucky in this in the rain. I got the video on. We can't talk for half an hour. What do we do? And that's new. Never seen that before.
Yeah, only Saturday morning.
People are scared. Yeah, look, nobody here. The wind never blew you up?
Yes, it did.
Did it blow? Did it blow over? Look at it, man. That's too funny. Get it ready. I'll be with you in a minute. Pizza. You still here?
No, it's a go.
I thought all the vendors be all gone.
I don't know why they so
I
like.
was over there. You didn't call Judson yet, did you?
No customers.
Thanks a lot.
I know it's not.
Oh, nobody outside. Dumfries not here. We'll have a quick look. Nobody outside. You're D? You're D. I want you to be the boy. Yeah. He knows the door. Get me the hell out of here.
Inside next weekend.
Ah, you're too
Come
funny.
sit inside. Okay.
You don't like
Hello,
inside,
hey
though.
you. Oh,
sorry. He took me
We
the
see you
side.
every weekend.
He took me the side door. He said, went out that door, went in that door, went out this door.
Yeah.
Too funny. Okay. Nothing here.